Hi there, we're here with the new Caterpillar 285 compact track loader, track skid steer. It's our largest Cat track skid steer ever. It's pretty exciting. It's a big machine, got a lot of power, it's got a lot of performance, and it's got fantastic comfort. I'm gonna go over a bunch of the new things, the high level stuff on this machine. I'm gonna start right here in the front. In order to have this machine be able to lift heavy weights and do the work, we needed to change the design of the machine. So you can see now you have an open area here to get in and out of the machine, an open ingress and egress. You can now, of course, get out of the machine with the bucket or work tool off the ground. We also put on this machine specifically, even really big cylinders here in the front to help us with breakout, tilt breakout, specifically being able to get that bucket or forks and be able to rack back with heavy loads. Also, lift arms. Yeah, they're big. Why are they so big? They're big because in order for this machine to be able to do the work and lift those heavy weights, you've got to have structures that live. And so we were really focused on making sure that this machine was going to last. With this new size class of machine, we're doing some things that really nobody's quite done before. We have a B-pin lift height of 146 inches on this machine. That really gives people the ability to do work up high, whether it be truck loading or lift in place. With these lift arms being redesigned and being able to handle those heavy weights, when you lift up, we need to have stability. So we made some changes to the undercarriage over here. As you can see, this is an all-new design for us in the track loader world. This is an E-bar undercarriage. So that's an equalizer bar. Our previous models, 299s and below, had torsion bar suspension. We still have those in our 255 and our 265s. However, in our 275s and the now biggest 285, that E-bar suspension has a pivot shaft in the back and an equalizer bar in the front. And it allows it to still be able to move over uneven ground, but still maintain a lot of those benefits that you get with a torsion bar suspension. You still get ride comfort, you still get material retention, which is really important because you do not want to be losing material out of the bucket. And then also you get better track life. The more track that you can keep on the ground, the longer life you're gonna get out of that track. If you look over here on the side, we've got a lot of things that we've been able to add to this. We have side view cameras now that allow you to see behind the track and around the side. So those areas where you couldn't see before, especially on a bigger machine, you now have excellent visibility to in the advanced monitor in the cab. We also have tie down points on our undercarriage, which allow you to tie the machine down at ground level and be safe, not have to run chains through multiple areas. You can do it just like you would an excavator or a dozer. Counterweights have moved to the side. It still keeps the same angle as the departure plate in the back. So it is not lower in ground clearance. It actually keeps the same profile as the underneath of the machine, but we took those off from the side and put them here. Come around here to the back. All new redesigned rear door. This is standard what you're looking at with these louvers here on the side. These louvers are able to be removed. They're modular. If something were to happen and you were to damage one, all you have to do is replace one. It's great. This is a big, heavy, strong door. It's got a lot of strength to it. When we open this up, we have got a lot of room in this machine. So everything is thought out. Serviceability needs to be really good. We have the battery down there on the right-hand side. We've got an all-new quick disconnect switch there on the right-hand side. We have common air filter with our other 3.6 Cat engines. And then, of course, oil filter right there, easily gotten to down there. And then diesel exhaust fluid right here. And the reason that this machine has diesel exhaust fluid is that this is a 111 horsepower engine. So we have increased the size of the engine in the 275 and in the 285. It is an all-cat engine, more horsepower, providing more torque for the machine. If this was the 285 XE and you were using an attachment, you would get up to 134 horsepower. That engine, we got a lot lower now. We put our fuel tanks in the sides, which allowed us to lower the entire engine assembly. And when you lower a heavy assembly like an engine and get it down further, you have a better center of gravity. We have an all-new cab. This cab is common from the 250 rubber tire all the way through our compact track loaders, all the way up through the 285. It is bigger, it's wider, there's more foot room, the seat travels back further, travels forward further. You can get it upfitted all the way with a heated and ventilated seat, which is fantastic. This cab is comfortable. We have in this machine right now an advanced monitor and advanced joysticks. That is an option. However, our standard monitor and our standard joysticks have the same capabilities of our fully functional joysticks and monitor that we use in D3 today, in our D3 series. That's going to be our standard for the future. But you can upgrade to the advanced joysticks and that 8-inch touchscreen and never have to take your hands off the joystick. One big improvement that's been needed for a long, long time, radio, stereo, Bluetooth, everything through the monitor here in the front, no matter whether you have the standard monitor or the advanced touchscreen, no more going to the back. We have available push to start here in the front, as well as all of our soft push buttons here to do the functions that used to be on rockers and such with the machine. One other really cool thing that we have done with this machine is for those customers or operators that want to run machines outside with maybe the door off, or for whatever reason, it's a nice day, whatever it is, we made a new easy removable door. It's as simple as pulling down the harness here for the wiper, putting it away. I'm able to come around the machine and lift that door off. So if I want to operate for the day or for an hour with that door off, I can do that and do it easily. We have really made this program about options for people, making the machines do what you want them to do and being able to make changes to how it operates, how it feels. We are really excited about how this is going to perform out there in the market. We think that we've listened and we've given everybody that has had feedback what they're asking for. So we hope everyone's excited. Get out there, try one of these machines. That's what I got to say. We can talk all day long about it. Go try one. You're going to love it.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.